Hector network fight centers on efficacy of DAO governance. The Litmus DAO fork is debating whether to tack on some of the hallmarks of a conventional corporation, something critics view as antithetical centralization. Crypto's Be Your Own Bank mantra has given rise to a new kind of company where investors are said to run the show. But can these so-called decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, beat out the centralized, professionalized, corporate status quo? That's the question faced by Hector Network's community as the decentralized finance, DeFi, project met on Discord early Thursday to discuss its possibly more centralized future. On hand was project leadership, a lawyer and tens of ECK token holders, many of whom were skeptical of a plan they feared would dilute their influence over how Hector runs. CoinDesk attended the call. For more than an hour, members peppered the lawyer, who identified himself as Dali from the tech law firm Sparring, with questions about HIP-40, a proposal to wrap Hector Network within an offshore corporate structure that includes directors, supervisors and a management board. In other words, an organization with many of the centralized facets DAOs are supposed to replace. After a year of what Dali called sloppy vision execution that has burned much of a treasury once worth $100 million, the only thing the phantom-based fork of Olympus DAO can agree on is that something needs to change. But HIP-40 seems unlikely to provide that change in its current form. It is barreling to defeat by Saturday. Hector Networks. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.